We have this sketch from the previous tutorial. So if you notice to the corner, you have this X and the exit sketch icon. So when you are in the sketch mode, so you'll notice that is appearing here. So when you are done with your sketch, you need to exit from the sketch mode by clicking on that icon. So when you click on that, so now you are outside the sketch mode, and you notice the color is changed. And when you are done with your sketch, you'll notice to the left that your sketch has a name on the left tree. So you are able to rename it by right click, and then you can you go to the feature properties and write the new name, and here you have descriptions. Okay, or a faster way, just one click on that, then you are able to rename that sketch. You can type first sketch, then press enter. So when you are selecting your sketch, you'll notice the dimensions are appearing on that sketch. And also one thing, you are able to edit your dimension outside the sketch mode as well. So you can, so this is a new feature in this the new SolidWorks versions, that they are saving times. You are able to change dimension here directly. So and here you have the icons. We said we are going to use them along with the tutorials. Here you have the zoom in and zoom out. So if you here select an area, we're able to zoom and then zoom out. So now you have the 2D sketch that is ready to be working with further. For this tutorial now, I'm going to show you a fast or quick way to start to work with your sketch. If you go to the feature, these are the 3D modeling tools. And for just quick start for your SolidWorks, just if you extrude, and you need to select a sketch. So let's select that sketch, extrude it. So now you are able to extrude. So this is a very fast start to give you an idea how you're going to use your sketches. So either you can extrude, revolve, sweep, cut, and so on. We are going to talk about this feature in the future tutorials.